Hi, you guys. It's your girl Kendra Moore here, and I want to show you how you can use shea butter to remove your makeup. All you need to do is take the shea butter and add it to your face, and then you're simply going to start rubbing it in. I love using shea butter to remove my makeup because the protein in it starts to break down the makeup. It's nourishing, it's moisturizing, it feels so good, and it's great for all over your face, especially underneath the eye. You just have to use gentle motions there. And then once you've rubbed this all over your face, that's what you're going to do is you're going to take a warm washcloth and you're simply just going to wipe your face. Now, it works with a warm washcloth if you were just going to splash water on your face because water and oil does not mix. That's not going to work out for you too well. But you can see all of the makeup that's coming off on the washcloth. Feels so good. So after you remove all of the makeup from your face, now what we can do is we can start focusing on these lips. All right, so what you're going to do is you're just going to take a little bit of shea butter. I have a cotton round there. You can see the lipstick is coming off. You guys, I had multiple layers of lipstick on. I had a lipstick pencil, and then I topped it up with like a lip stain to make sure it was going to stay all night. So this thing is breaking down a lot, and you can see it did a very nice job, and my lips are so soft and so moisturized. So that's it. A simple way to use shea butter to remove your makeup. If you like this video, like and follow for more natural health, wellness, and home tips.